So guys, I'm in the kitchen now. I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be eating for day one. I don't know if I'm going to continue, showing you guys what I'm going to be having for the rest of the day, but I'm also going to try to, eat in small portions and also try to include more veggies in my meal, because you cannot just be working out and be eating like a cow. So I'm just going to show you guys. Today I'm going to be eating one noodle here, and I'm going to be having eggs with mixed vegetable. So let's see how it's going to turn out. So guys, I already have my onions here, and this is red pepper. These are my eggs, and this is my mixed vegetable. And I'm going to use olive oil to just heat up my mixed vegetable a bit before I pour in my egg. I'm just going to be frying 2 eggs today, so I'm going to be breaking it in here. I'm going to be putting onions in here and a little salt, 4 table salt, and I'm just going to be, I hope that's not a lot. So guys, I'm going to be using the Saporito Foods olive pumice oil. I'm sure you guys have seen me use this, in my first Christmas away video, and also in my how to make spicy chicken. So I'm just going to be turning on the heat and just going to pour just a little. Guys, I'm going to be adding a little pepper into my egg. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. And I'm going to be beating. I would have just microwaved my mixed vegetable because it's really blocked, but this is just to heat it up a bit. So I'm going to be adding just a few onions because I'm going to use the remaining one to make my noodles. So guys, I'm just going to be pouring my egg into the pan. So I'm just going to keep stirring it because I would have allowed it fried, like a whole, but I just want to scramble it a bit. Keep stirring on low heat, guys. I always like my eggs brown because I used to like white eggs before, but it got to a point in my life where when I eat eggs that are not properly fried, in my dictionary that's made brown, it tastes like I'm eating the eggs raw. So I'm just going to take this out. So I'm just going to pour water, add a little bit of pepper, Add my remaining onions. Add my noodle spice. Just break my noodles in here. I'm going to let this cook. I'm going to cover it and let it cook. I don't know how long it's going to cook, but as soon as it is soft, I'm going to take it down. So my noodles is ready. I'm just going to be adding my egg and mix the veggies in it. I'm going to cover this for just 1 to 2 minutes. So guys, I'm going to turn off the heat and just stir. Guys, so I'm going to have to share this into two because I'm not sure I'm going to finish it. I've already loaded my tummy with so much water, and I'm going to divide this into two and probably have it tomorrow or have it as dinner. I'm not sure yet.